Okay, warm welcome everybody. My name's Simon Stepsis, living in the UK, and I'm here to share a presentation with a company called Mind Capital, and I'm going to be showing you how you can profit from the absolutely booming cryptocurrency industry. So before I get started, I'm going to literally just give you a bit of a introduction of myself and where I come from, and basically then we're going to go through some slides. 15-minute slides. I'm going to be sharing the products that Mind Capital can show you how to make profits in this incredible industry. So again, I've been a business owner now for over 22 years. I've been showing people how to make money online. Well, I was online in 1995 and I was making a full-time income by 1997. So 22 years, 30 years a business owner. And again, it was just 3 years ago, 2017, I got introduced to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I started to earn my income and get paid in Bitcoin. This is back in 2017 when the price of one Bitcoin was $1,250. Today it's hovering around about $19,500. And if you can compare, imagine if I was getting paid in fiat currency, that's like the pound or the dollar or the euro. That's a very smart thing to do. Many predicting within the next 3 years, Bitcoin could easily topple $100,000 per Bitcoin, per one Bitcoin. Some are saying at least $250,000 and more. What I will say is this is literally, it is a very exciting time to get it started with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We are really very early adopters. Most people have heard about it. Most people don't know how to get started, how to purchase it, and how to profit from that. So I'm going to go literally through some slides. I'm going to show you an opportunity with a company called Mind Capital that I was first shared this opportunity. This is back in December 2019. My good friend, Jets FIFA out of Australia, sent me some information, and again I took a very close look at this information, and it absolutely blew me away what I saw. However, in this industry you do have to be very careful. There's a lot of scams out there, a lot of Ponzi's and things like that. You could be very careful, especially in the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency industry. So I made an appointment to meet the CEO, Gonzalo Garcia Pelayo. Lives in Madrid in Spain. That's where the company's offices were. I actually flew over there. I met him. This is just before New Year's Eve, 2019. And I interviewed him, and I was blown away with what he was sharing with me. And literally, they announced also that there was an event, a launch event, at the 11th of January 2020. And I was invited to go to that launch event. There was about 400 leaders, mainly from Spain and South America, who were at that event, and they absolutely blew me away. But more importantly, it confirmed this is a solid, real opportunity. When we first launched, we only had one product, which was an arbitrage, and the arbitrage now is at maximum. There is the company are not allowing any new members to the arbitrage opportunity at this moment in time. That may change in the future, though. So for now, we've got the exchange and we've got the awesome, exciting products. These are called Nemesis tokens, which are a basket of cryptocurrencies where it's very easy to literally to get started with these currencies and start to profit from not just Bitcoin, but all the exciting, solid cryptocurrencies out there with just literally one click. I mean, it really is that simple. So if you just bear with me, I'm going to put the screen share on, and then literally 10 or 15 minutes going through the slides. And again, if you're a guest on this presentation or you're watching this out there on YouTube or any of the social media channels, again, get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. So thanks very much, and just bear with me. Thank you. Okay, so I'll just go on the full screen. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen now. So welcome to the Mind.Capital Passion for Crypto World. So if we look at the cryptocurrency markets now, at the start of this year, 2020, there was around about 2,500 different cryptocurrencies. Everybody, most people on planet Earth have heard of Bitcoin, yet most people still have not purchased. It's actually, if you're purchasing or thinking about, you don't have to purchase a whole Bitcoin. literally fractions of a Bitcoin. You can purchase $50 a Bitcoin, $1,000, 10,000, whatever you like. But today, actually, there's just shy of 8,000 different cryptocurrencies. So again, this is a rapidly expanding marketplace, and literally there is fortunes to be made. I know ordinary individuals who have got started in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies who are now multi-millionaires. As I mentioned when we started the presentation, we've seen the Bitcoin price at the start of this year. It was around about 7,000. It's hovering around about $19,500 per Bitcoin now, and it literally, many predicting it's going to hit literally within the next year even 100,000. I got started again in 2017, and again, one Bitcoin was $1,250, and today we're at $19,500. That's a pretty exciting return, and many are predicting that it's going to get a lot more exciting. Many are predicting that Bitcoin can go up in value by literally $10,000 in a day. Okay, so again, you can do your own research about that, about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. However, it is very exciting, and there's massive profits to be made here. There really is. Okay, the cryptocurrency market, okay, is around about, it's about 550 billion on coin market cap. Many predicting it's going to reach 3.6 trillion within the next 10 years. Okay, we will see Bitcoin at $1 million each, even 2 million, 3, 4, 5 million, because of the limited supply and the more adoption. And a lot of people are looking for different ways to hedge against the not just the dollar, the euro, the pound, again, the fiat currencies that are being literally ate away by inflation. And again, it's been devalued. And with the COVID-19, it's accelerated like crazy. And again, many are saying that this is why the price of the Bitcoin has gone up even more because of that. So again, it's a great time to be involved in crypto. And again, Mind Capital welcomes you to the world of crypto assets and take advantage of what we have here to share with you today. So this is our CEO, Gonzalo Garcia Pelayo. He is very inspirational for me. This guy is 72 years young. Now, most people are looking at retiring at around about 70, and yet this guy started Mind Capital in one of the most exciting and dynamic industries in the whole world. Okay, but he's a very, very successful track record, very successful entrepreneur. He's most famous for winning the most money in the casinos. Okay, over 250 million pesetos. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever beaten the casinos? Have you, yeah, what about being the number one? This guy has won the most money ever on the roulette tables. Okay, he's so successful, they've even made a film about him. You can go to the main website, you can watch that film. It's called The Pelayos. But not only that, he's produced over 160 music albums, and not only that, directed over 10 films, one considered to be in the all-time top 100 Spanish films and the top 1,000 worldwide. Very successful entrepreneur. And he started to look at the cryptocurrency industry in 2017, when again, it went from literally around about $1,000 Bitcoin to just shy of 20,000. And again, he started Mind Capital at the start of this year, the 11th of January, 2020. And I had the pleasure of meeting him at the before the launch event, but also at the launch event again. Very, very exciting, friendly man, very intelligent. And again, how many people do you know who's beat the casinos for that amount of money? Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so some of the advantage of Mind Capital, okay, again, with this industry of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you have to be very careful. There's so many scams out there. People are promising all kinds of, returns and kind of money you can make, but you don't really know much about them. You don't even know the CEO. It's a little bit wishy-washy out there. Some of them are actors and things like that. And some people said that about Mind Capital, about that Gonzalo's an actor and he's not real and he doesn't really front the company. Well, this company is 100% transparent. That's why I went to Madrid in Spain at the time before the lockdown. And again, they've got their own development team, expert team who specialize in cryptocurrencies and making profits in cryptocurrency. They're transparent. Everything is laid out. They do Zoom calls. They even have a tech team that do Zoom calls. They do everything to show you that this is for real. They've got the payment gateway. It's all live on the blockchain. And again, they've got a business plan. The business company are based in Estonia. Estonia is recognized as the most digital country in the world. So again, they're doing everything in the right way. And there's the Mind Capital OU and the registration code there. And again, to make sure that this company is set up correctly. Okay, so Mind Capital coin is an internal coin, okay, an internal stable coin. One Mind Capital coin is equivalent to $1 US. And this basically, it literally consolidates the Mind Capital projects, because even in the actual, the currency market out there, the governments were looking at taking out the stable coins because they were worried about too much fiat currency going into cryptocurrency stable coins. This actually is internal, and again, you have to be a member of Mind Capital to purchase the Mind Capital coin there. So again, Mind Capital also, from what I'm aware, in an affiliate marketing and direct sales, it's the only company worldwide to have their own exchange. This actually, again, it consolidates the opportunity. It allows the members to make profits from it, the exchange fees, and it allows the company to obviously to keep their prices down for the trading, etc. There's no other company that I'm aware that does that. And the beautiful thing here with Mind Capital, remember also, is there's no cost to join Mind Capital. There's no monthly fees or anything like that. It is absolutely fantastic. So what can you do with the Mind Capital exchange? Well, the Mind Capital coins, you could obviously buy other cryptocurrencies. It's your own digital wallet. Okay, so you can deposit Bitcoin directly into your exchange wallet. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, and Mind Capital coins. They also have technical analysts. So again, if you want to study charts and look at the analysts of how it's going, they've even done Zoom calls on this. A technical team have already done that. Many more to come in the future. Then you can also do that as well, which is fantastic. So this is an overview. This is a screenshot of the exchange. And if you've actually used exchanges like Binance and Zaken and things like that, lots of them out there, this is the simplest and easiest exchange to use out there. It really is. If you can buy, Bitcoin, if you haven't got Bitcoin, by the way, don't worry about that. Whoever shared this presentation with you can show you how to do that. You can buy Bitcoin anywhere in the world, literally where there's an internet connection, you've got a mobile phone, you're in business. That's the beautiful thing with that. But obviously we can turn that Bitcoin into more Bitcoin using our exchange and also purchasing the tokens that we have here. So let me introduce you to Mind Capital Nemesis tokens. So Mind Capital have created their own tokens based on different cryptocurrency assets, okay, and they've literally tokenized them. So the Nemesis tokens are a portfolio of digital assets whose net value is tokenized and uncorrelated to the market. And what does that mean? Okay, well, there's 5 concepts of it. The diversification, okay, and again, if you've only, let's say you've only purchased Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, the beautiful thing about getting these tokens, okay, you'll have literally a big diverse of different assets here. Very, very powerful, all within just 2 tokens. And the difference in the tokens are, one is more, can we say, stable, and one's more exciting, but it also has more risk, okay, which is the DeFi tokens. So again, it's very simple to buy these tokens. If you had to go and buy these digital assets separately, you'd be on literally 20 different exchanges, 20 different fees, buying and selling, and it's not easy, I can assure you. It can be very, very complex, and most users will be lost and won't know what to do. Beautiful thing here, couple of clicks, and you'll have these tokens. And like I said, it's like a basket, okay? Not only that, okay, which assets are you going to buy? Okay, yes, we all know about Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, okay, maybe a handful of others, but what about all of, literally, there's 7,000, 8,000 almost digital assets. Which ones you buy? Which one is good? Mind Capital obviously study, the technical team study, it's their full-time job, it's what they do, okay? Their job is to produce the most profits for the membership. That is their goal, okay? So beautiful. Transparency. So again, Mind Capital, you can check out the tokens, the value. They even actually, I will show you what's in the tokens. They do change it from time to time, and the percentages of what goes into these tokens is all in the Mind Capital back office. So the liquidity is very simple. This means you can cash out anytime. So again, literally 24/7, crypto markets never close, and the same with the exchange. So literally you want to buy, you want to sell, yeah, you can do that any minute of the day. Absolutely fantastic. So this is the first token. This is what we consider the more safer token, the ASVAN. Okay, and again, it's a large portfolio, okay, with obviously real potential, okay, solid. And again, I will put the screenshot, I will pull up the screenshot regarding that after I've done these slides. I just want to share this with you first. So again, Zakin here, it's more what we call, these are the DeFi tokens, so there's more volatility, but also much more potential. We've seen some of these DeFi tokens, I mean, we can forget about getting 10%, you know, 20%. We've seen in excess of 100% returns literally in the course of days. I mean, it is really, really tremendous how much profits can be made with these tokens. Okay, so Mind Capital also, you can just do that. You can get involved, purchase the tokens and hold the tokens, sell them obviously whenever you wish. Or however, they do have a referral program, and the referral program lets you earn commissions, okay, from exchange fees. Now, if we have a look at the exchanges like Binance and Kraken, for instance, and Coinbase, these companies are making billions from exchange fees, okay? And of course, the company keep all the profits. Well, the beautiful thing with Mind Capital is you cannot join Mind Capital direct with a company. You have to go through one of the affiliates. As I'm recording this, is approximately 130,000 affiliates worldwide with Mind Capital now, and it's rising on a daily basis, okay? So again, you've got to get back to the person who shared this with you and obviously go through an affiliate. The great thing is you get the volume generated by your own direct referrals, okay, and also a team volume, okay? And this can be very, very substantial. So again, you get 65% of the commissions, okay, and from the transactions made in your referral network, okay? And this is distributed in the compensation plan over 10 different levels. So again, you can see on the screen here on level 1, 17.33. I'm not going to read them all out. You can see there's a breakdown. Okay, this is the percentages as these tokens are being purchased on the exchanges are done on the exchange. Okay, the total there is 65% is the what we call the friend bonus, and it's paid down these 10 levels on all these different percentages there for a total of 65%. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, the company also have an ambassador level. There's 17 ambassadors in Mind Capital. You can look at the front of the website, mind.capital, to see the ambassadors. You'll probably see my face on there because I am an ambassador. You do need to do 4 million in total. Our team alone, by the way, is doing over 15.5 million in total contributions. And again, you just need to do 4 million in volume through the 10 levels. The company do ask you to sign a contract if you want to benefit from what we call, well, the company do give all the ambassadors a monthly, okay, company-wide profit share, okay. That's pretty unique. I've never actually experienced that. They just ask you not to promote any other affiliate programs. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You just want to still, you know, promote. Some people like to promote many different opportunities. That's fine. I definitely prefer singularity, working with one company, and again, it's better for. I've always found this the best way going. So again, ambassador level, 4 million volume. Okay, and then they have also. This is where you can find out more about the company. Okay, they have their own, obviously, Facebook page. They have their own Instagram page. They also have a Spanish and English version on Telegram, so I definitely recommend subscribing to the Telegram and getting that, because that's where they put the very latest information. And then they have the official Mind Capital YouTube channel, and on the YouTube channel they put everything. There's so many different languages on there, literally German, French, Spanish, English, Literally, there's loads of different languages there, and everything is there, and there's subtitles as well. Absolutely everything's explained in detail how this company are building. They also have a business building tool called the Play in here, a Spanish version and the English version, and this is a free tool that anybody can use to promote the business. It's very simple. You just share that link and people interact with it if they're interested in having a look at what Mind Capital have to offer. Now, in addition to that, the company are also working on 6 new bots, and one is to be released in December 2020. So we're waiting for that opportunity. In testing, it's been producing between 7 and 8% profit per month. And again, as with the arbitrage, that is a private club for now, but they may open that up in the future. We just have to see how it goes. So for now, we've got the exchange, we've got the tokens, and the tokens have produced phenomenal results since they launched. I think it's around about 3 weeks now. You know, again, I purchased $40,000 of them tokens, and they're already worth $47,000 this morning. So that's an absolutely incredible return. And yes, the market's up. However, of course, I can sell out and cash out that profit and rebuy in and buy and sell anytime that I wish. And it's absolutely fantastic to be able to do it with just one click rather than buy and sell all the different tokens and then which ones are you going to do. Absolutely brilliant here. So if you just bear with me, I will bring up the what is in the tokens, because many people ask that. So just bear with me. I'll bring up the. Okay, so this is a selection of the different cryptocurrencies in the tokens. So this is ASVAN. Okay, so obviously it's got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Nano, IOTA, Link, and USDT. So again, this is what we the company considered as more of a safer, more of a stable gains. Okay, so you're not going to have like they are absolutely spectacular gains. Let's face it. I mean, look at Bitcoin alone. The gains in the last month alone have been absolutely staggering. Bitcoin's going up by about $6,000, just to give you an idea. And they're looking at, you know, some of the experts are saying Bitcoin in the future will be going up, having up in the price of $10,000 per day. And it will definitely happen in time. There's no question. Think about that. You've got, if you only own one Bitcoin and it goes up $10,000 in a day, can you say that about your fiat currency? Probably not. Okay, so that's the ASVAN token, and again, the Zaken token. Okay, so these are the DeFi tokens, and you can see here, obviously, they've got BAL, UED, UMA, all the different comps, YFA. You can go to coinmarket.com, you can have a look and read about different DeFi tokens. The returns of the Zaken have been absolutely phenomenal. You can get literally 100% returns in literally days, even, you know, weeks. I mean, it really can. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the presentation of Mind Capital. So again, I want to thank you for your time, for being here today. Again, if you're watching this out there on the social media channels, then again, please get back to the person who shared this incredible, exciting opportunity with you. And again, thank you once again for your time. God bless you all.